In previous sessions, we have looked into creating a straight beam and controlling its properties. Now let us look into detail of drawing other profiles. The property tab on the right is similar for all. Note that the command prompt always prompts the next instruction to be done. Also, use the middle mouse button to terminate a command. Now, to draw a polybeam, click on the icon on the top and place the start, intermediate points, and click middle mouse button to place the end point or terminate the command. You can adjust the node to be curved by selecting the node and changing its shape. Give a value to adjust the radius of the curve. Similarly, for curved beam, here the intermediate point is the radius. Twin profiles are members placed side by side. You can control the profile and its shape using the twin profile property in Property tab. For orthogonal beam, let me draw up footing and explain how it works. It draws some members perpendicular to the view plane. Quite useful in drawing the purlin. Click the icon and pick the point where the member to be placed. You can hover over any icon to get help popping up. Before creating spiral beam, let me take a view to explain. Now select the icon, click 2 points to start the member and second point to define its radius. Press Ctrl Tab to switch between views and then click the third point to define its height. You can control the member by selecting the member and modifying its properties. That's it guys, we have seen all the methods of drawing a steel beam. See you at next section.